Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves across technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed strong gains today. The Nasdaq Composite Index led with a 429-point rise to 16,300. The communication services sector and Nasdaq both gained 2.7%. Despite today's upward movement, all indexes maintain very strong negative trends. Market breadth was notably weak despite price gains. In the Nasdaq Composite, decliners outnumbered advancers by more than 3-1. The technology sector showed similar weakness with 597 declining stocks versus just 82 advances. Short-term returns reflect continued pressure. The technology sector is down 6.7% month to date. The healthcare sector has declined 7.6% over the same period. Year to date, the Nasdaq Composite shows the largest decline at -15.6%. Among top tech performers, First Solar surged 10.5% with strong upward volatility. Micron Technology gained 5.1%. Fidelity National Information Services rose 3.6%, marking its third consecutive positive close. Week-to-date returns show First Solar leading with a 5.8% gain. Fidelity National has risen 6.1%. However, year-to-date, most remain negative with First Solar down 23.2%. Among underperformers, Monolithic Power Systems and Texas Instruments gained less than 1% each. EPAM Systems rose 1.2% but remains in a very strong negative trend with sideways price movement over the past 3 days. Year-to-date performance shows significant weakness. EPAM Systems has declined 37%, while NetApp and Advanced Micro Devices are both down around 29%. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed strong gains today. TQQQ rose 2.6% to 444.48, while showing a very strong negative trend. The 3x bullish QQQ surged 7.6%, and the 3x bearish QQQ dropped 7.7%. Both Vanguard Information Technology and VanEck Semiconductor gained over 2%. Year-to-date returns show significant declines across most Nasdaq ETFs. The 3x bullish QQQ has fallen 43%, while VanEck Semiconductor and Vanguard Information Technology are down about 20%. Conversely, the 3x bearish QQQ has gained nearly 23% year-to-date.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Amazon led gains, rising 3.5% to 173.18. Apple followed at 3.4% to 199.74, while Meta Platforms added 3.2% to 500.28. All major tech stocks showed very strong negative trends despite today's upward price movement. Week-to-date returns show mixed performance. Apple leads with a 1.4% gain, while Meta Platforms lags with a -0.2% decline. Month-to-date, all stocks are down significantly, with Meta showing the steepest decline at -13.2%. Among semiconductor stocks, AXT surged 10.9% to 1.32, breaking out after 6 days of flat trading. WiseKey International gained 9.2% to 3.78. Micron Technology and Daqo New Energy both rose 5.1%. AXT shows the strongest week-to-date gain at 10.9%. However, month-to-date returns reveal significant sector weakness, with Daqo New Energy down 23.7% and Micron declining 19.2%. In cloud computing, Rackspace Technology led gains, up 5.5% to 1.34 after 5 days of sideways movement. Shopify rose 4.9% to 85.71, while Cloudflare added 4.6% to 106.81. Short-term performance shows Shopify leading week-to-date returns at 2.5%. However, month-to-date declines are significant, with Rackspace down 20.7% and Shopify falling 10.2%. In AI and robotics, Hyundai Motor jumped 6.3% to 50, breaking out of a 3-day consolidation. AeroVironment gained 4.1% to 150.18, showing a mixed positive trend. iRobot rose 3.6% after 13 days sideways. AeroVironment stands out with a 26% month-to-date gain. In contrast, iRobot has declined 26.7% this month, while Rockwell Automation is down 9.3%. Leading thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strength today. Spear Alpha ETF led gains, rising 3.5% to 18.90. Robotics and AI and automation bulltwalks followed with a 3.4% increase to 14.84. All funds are experiencing very strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance shows significant challenges. Spear Alpha is down 30.3%, while robotics and AI and automation bulltwalks has declined 34.8%. AI and technology has shown more resilience, dropping 11.7%. Electric vehicle stocks surged today. BYD jumped 7.3% to 98.44, showing strong positive momentum. Polestar gained 5.1% to 1, while Tesla advanced 4.6% to 237.97. Year-to-date performance varies widely in the EV sector. XPeng leads with a 61.3% gain, while Tesla has declined 41.1%. BYD shows strength with a 44.8% increase. Quantum computing stocks showed strength today. IonQ rose 6.3% to 25.56, while Rigetti Computing gained 5.6% to 8.57. TE Connectivity broke upward after 3 days of sideways movement. Month-to-date performance shows mixed results. IonQ leads with a 15.8% gain, while Keysight Technologies has declined 9.8%. Rigetti Computing shows positive momentum with an 8.2% increase. Solar stocks rebounded strongly. Sunnova Energy surged 26.6% to 0.23, breaking a 34-day flat pattern. First Solar jumped 10.5% to 135.35, with strong upward volatility. Maxion Solar gained 7.9%. Year-to-date performance shows sector challenges. Sunnova has declined 93.4%, while Maxion is down 63.8%. First Solar shows relative stability with a 23.2% decrease. Leading tech thematic ETFs showed strong gains today. ARK Fintech Innovation ETF and Global X Fintech ETF both rose 4.1%, with ARK Innovation ETF gaining 3.6%. Despite today's advances, all funds continue showing negative trends. Week-to-date returns show ARK Fintech Innovation leading with a 2.3% gain, followed by ARK Innovation at 2.1%. However, year-to-date performance remains challenging, with SPDR S&P Software and Services down 20.3% and ARK Innovation down 18.8%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.